Happy Monday, everybody. It is Monday Morning Quarterback, episode 221. Hope you've had a good start to your week. If I look frazzled, I apologize. It's PRI week, and we are wide open trying to get all of our I's dotted and T's crossed. We load in tomorrow, and show starts Thursday. If you're coming to town for PRI, please come to our open house. We have some fantastic food, door prizes. We're raffling off a set of NXT shocks, and we just love to show you around and talk racing with you, and yeah, show you what we do here at CSI. So it'll be a busy, exciting week. Tonight's topic is all the cool things to do while you're in Indianapolis. So without further ado, Jack's gonna put together this little video for you where everybody in the shop kind of gave you what their favorite thing to do is here in town, and then we'll come back and I'll give you some of my favorites.
PRI week. What should people do while they're down here? Like, what are some musts?
Go to the show.
Other than the obvious of going to the show. Like restaurants, things to do to pass the time if they're not at the show.
Restaurants. Flip a coin, whatever you want. I don't really care. I'd rather a little admit that. Go to SIK and throw haymakers on each other. And they get kicked out and they're not. Don't.
Are you speaking from experience there?
No, maybe slightly. I haven't gotten kicked out, but maybe almost.
All right, Lee, PRI week, go-to restaurant in or near downtown.
Make it simple. I mean, Brothers has really good food, or Kilroy's. That's two decent spots. I mean, you want like a little bar atmosphere or something that's somewhat laid back and not a bad crowd. Tin Roof's pretty decent. So it's just a couple blocks away, so not horrible.
Where are some go-to places for you?
So I know a lot of people have already said St. Elmo's, but that would be number one. Number two would be a new hibachi place that opened called Harmony Steakhouse. So it's just north of the Circle, but great hibachi, great fried rice. That'd be my recommendation.
Kilroy's is good. Hooters will be packed.
Is it even still open?
Yeah.
Or did that one close?
I don't know. I only go one time a year. It's this time of year, so. Kilroy's will be good. Brothers is good. Check out Clayton's Country Bar. That place is really fun. Not a big on Steak and Shake, but there's a Steak and Shake down there. There's also a Chick-fil-A in the mall. Yeah, all those. Yeah, that's where I would go.
And we'll check on Hooters, see if it's still
See
if it's still alive and kicking.
Yeah, we'll confirm on that one.
All right, Jimmy, favorite place downtown, Indy.
Always St. Elmo's.
St. Elmo. Everybody's saying St. Elmo's.
All right, who knows what those characters down there told you to do, but I'm gonna give you the real inside scoop. St. Elmo's is obviously on everybody's list. You know, unless you're with President Trump, good luck getting in there this week. My second favorite steakhouse, and the food I think is equally as good, just the vibe and the atmosphere isn't as cool as the legendary St. Elmo's. Tony's Seafood and Steak, awesome. If you're feeling Mexican, there's a place downtown called Nada, and it's like a Tex-Mex, super, super good food and some killer margaritas there. And then if you have a day to kill, you're here a day early or a day late, the redo on the Motor Speedway Museum is unbelievable. So they closed the museum at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway for about 2.5 years and did like a total ground up remodel, and it's super cool. There's some interactive stuff if you got kids with you, but just a ton of history there. So those are my picks. I don't have any bar picks. I'm old and have 3 kids, and that life passed me many, many years ago. So anyhow, hope to see you at PRI. We're booth 3936. Come see us. We got some, piles of brand new stuff. We've been working super, super hard. And so we got piles of brand new stuff to show you guys. And if you can make it out to our open house on Thursday, we'd love to feed you, give you a beer, and talk shop with you. Have a great day.